Hi you guys. So today I'm going to be taking a bath with the new Lush Cosmetics bath bomb called Gold Rabbit. And Lush made this for Lunar New Year 2023. It's the year of the rabbit. And this bath bomb is so beautiful with this gorgeous sort of pink rose color, and it has gold dust on the outside of it on certain parts. It's a slow melting bath bomb, and it has the most wonderful smell. It's made with sandalwood and neroli and bergamot. It smells sort of kind of yummy but kind of floral. And the sandalwood makes it very fragrant. It's not real sweet. It's not bright, and it's sort of like kind of sexy and kind of yummy. I absolutely love this. Love the scent. And it has glitter in the water as well, and I'll show you that in a minute, but this is how it's melting. And it's a really creamy kind of bath bomb. I love this Gold Rabbit bath bomb. Everything about it. The look, the scent. I would rate this a 5 out of 5 rating. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll talk to you on the next upcoming Lush demo video. Bye-bye.